Welcome to this Fixit channel, and today we're going to talk about a piece of software that's called IObit Uninstaller 5. Now, you can uninstall software in Windows, with the programs and features, or you can right-click an app in Windows 8 or 10 and uninstall it from there. But very often, the uninstallers from these pieces of software are bad because they leave behind tons and tons of data. And maybe you don't want to have that on your hard drive left behind and registry stuff. IObit Uninstaller is actually a better way of uninstalling software. It actually will remove almost everything that can be left behind from installs of your different programs. So I'll post a link to this software in the description below the video. And if it does show up with some other pieces of software, just take the uninstaller. Don't install anything else that it might offer you. Now, this software, once installed, is here. This is IObit Uninstaller 5.4. What it does, you've got different sections on the left. All the programs that are installed, with their date of install, their size, everything. Recently installed, if you want to see what you installed recently. Large programs, if you want to make space, for example, this tells you which are the biggest programs you have installed on your computer. And infrequently used, but I would take that with a grain of salt because it's not always true. Infrequently used, it depends how you work actually. For example, Google Chrome I use every day and it does say idle for 65 days, which is not the case at all. Now, one of the great things about this software also is the toolbars and plugins, which is quite nice because it actually gives you information of what you have installed of toolbars and plugins on your computer. It even gives you what's okay or not. You can go through each browser, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Now there's no support for Edge yet, but it is eventually going to be there. You've got a Windows Manager where you can see what starts up with your computer. What's nice is that the list of startup items is bigger and better than the list from the Task Manager. It shows you really what is starting up. Also, process, if you want to see what processes are starting up. And Windows updates. You'll see all the latest updates that you've installed. For example, here today I've installed security update and it shows here. Finally, you got tools where you can clean up residual files. Uninstall history shows you everything that you uninstalled. File shredder lets you take a file that or a folder that you want to remove and make sure that nobody ever gets the possibility to see it. And finally, Windows Tool. The Windows tools are the services, the system properties, easy access to the regular Windows tools that you have in your computer, but through this system. Finally, one of the interesting options, there's, from time to time we do get this piece of software that is stubborn, doesn't want to install, has error messages. We can actually click on the software and go on the upper right where you'll see Force Uninstall. This will try to uninstall it even if it's too stubborn to do so. So that's another interesting thing. You can batch uninstall, so you can uninstall tons of software together. And of course, you've got the regular different menus, user manual settings, all sorts of things. It asks you every time that you uninstall, do you want to do a restore point, which is not a bad idea. It creates a restore point just before the uninstall. If something goes wrong, it can come back to your restore point. Nice piece of software. It's totally free. You have a pro version that has more options to it, but the free version does already a pretty good job. IObit Uninstaller 5.4. Check it out if you want to really uninstall correctly any piece of software and have everything in one panel where you can uninstall pretty much everything. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up. Thank you so much for following us. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.